What up, man? We back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash the 360 wave brushes. Alright, so you can use soap, shampoo, you can use any soap that you want. And as you can see, I'm using Dawn soap. And first things first, I'm going to wet my brush with the bristles. And you see that I'm wetting it on a side angle. And that's the way that you have to do it. Do it in a side angle. And then you're going to apply the soap and then start scrubbing. And as you can see, while I'm scrubbing, you see all the hair falling out. And the reason why the brush is not foaming up is because it has a lot of grease in there, grease and hair and dandruff and stuff. So all of that's coming out on the first wash. And after this one, we're gonna apply some more soap for the second time around. It's just like your hair, man. The first time you put the shampoo on your hair, it doesn't foam up, you feel me? Because it's a lot of grease in your hair. And then after you take it out to the second time you apply the shampoo, then it starts to foam up. That's because your hair is clean and it's ready to go. That's what's happening right here. Alright, so as you're scrubbing the brush and washing, you want to get in between the bristles because there's some stuff hiding in there. So you want to get all in between there. And then you're going to rinse it off. This is the final one. And after you finish washing your brush, you want to leave it upside down. If you have a towel in hand, you can wipe it off with a towel and leave it upside down, bristles down, so the water could drip off. And you just leave it there until it dries.